Hello friends, welcome to Ratna's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple, very yummy, tasty recipe. It's called Khichdi. Usually you must have seen a Khichdi recipe with a split moong dal. Today I'm going to show you my way of making a Khichdi with full moong. It's going to be tasty, very healthy and very easy to make. So let me show you the process of making Khichdi. Let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to use today for the khichdi. We are going to use rice, full moong, pepper, garlic and curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaves, you can avoid the curry leaves, but curry leaves gives a nice flavor. So here we have, I'm taking 1 cup of rice. Let me show you my new purchase today. I want to show it off. This is a wobbling glass. Have a look at it. It's so beautiful and very interesting. If you like this, you can buy online. So I'm really enjoying these glasses. Okay, to the recipe now. So I'm going to use 1 cup of rice. You can use any rice. You can use basmati rice or jasmine rice, any white rice that is available. And I'm going to add half a cup of moong. You can see it's only half a cup. So we are going to add that as well. And let's wash this nicely. Let's wash this for 3 times. You don't need to soak rice or the moong. Just wash it and cook it straight away. So I'm just going to wash it for 3 times. Just going to use a half an onion for this. Just slit them into long slices. I'm adding some green chilies. Green chilies is again optional. If you don't want it to be spicy, you can avoid this because we are going to add pepper. Pepper's spiciness is sometimes enough for some people, but I love to add chilies, so I'm adding some green chilies to bring out more flavor and more spiciness to the dish. So this is going to be one pot dish only, so you are not using many dishes as well. So it's, as I said, it's a very easy and quick recipe. So I'm using a pressure cooker. So let me just turn the pressure and let me take it out first. And just turning it on, and I'm adding a bit of a ghee. If you don't want to use ghee, you can use oil. I'm going to add ghee, a little bit of ghee and a bit of olive oil together. I'm going to add garlic as well, so some sliced garlic. I'm going to just slice them into long slits. You can add garlic up to your requirement. Garlic flavor is going to bring a beautiful flavor to this dish. So the oil and ghee it's hot, quite hot. First I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, some peppercorns, full peppercorns, sliced garlic, just fry them a little bit. Going to add green chilies, As I said, green chilies is optional. If you don't want it, you don't need to, because you're adding a pepper anyway. That's going to bring the spice. And I'm going to add the cut half onion. I'm just going to fry it until it's a little bit translucent. I have added a full peppercorn, 1 teaspoon there. I'm going to crush another 1 teaspoon in this mortar, and we are going to add this as well, crushed ones. So here is the crushed peppers. I'm going to add this into this bowl. Let's just mix it all up. The onions have fried enough, so I'm going to add the washed rice and the moong now. So let's just add it. As I said, you don't need to soak them. You can just do straight away. If you prefer to soak, you can do that as well. So I'm going to add water now to this. So we have totally used 1 cup of rice and half cup of full moong. For that, I'm adding 3.5 cups of water altogether. I'm going to make this khichdi a little bit mushy, so that's why I added a little bit of extra water. If you want it like a porridge consistency, you can add 4 cups of water, but I'm going to add 3.5 cups now. It's time to add salt to this. So salt is according to your taste again. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to bring it to boil. Once it starts bubbling up, that's when I'm going to pressure cook it. So it's almost done, so let's wait for it to bubble up. So as you can see, it's bubbling up nicely. So this is time for me to close the lid and put it for pressure. So let's close the lid. And I'm going to leave it on for pressure for 2 whistles. So we'll come back after the 2 whistles. So let's see after 2 whistles how it is cooked. Look at the consistency. This is exactly what I wanted. Not too mushy, just enough. So this is the perfect consistency. But if you want it more runny, you can add, as I said in the when I was adding the water, you can add another 1 more cup extra. So I'm going to plate this up and then add some tadka with ghee again. Yummy, peppery, garlicky khichdi with full moong. You can see the moong, how beautifully cooked. I'm going to just add a little bit of mustard. Let's wait until it just splatters. Add add a little bit of boiled moong on the top just to garnish. It's all done. So friends, here it is, yummy, tasty and very easy to make full Moong khichdi. I hope you like the recipe today. If you like, please do share, like and subscribe my channel. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I hope to see you again soon, so I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. Once again, thank you for watching Ratna's Kitchen.